Look at the lovely tulips and daffodils. A couple things on daffodils and tulips. After they're done blooming, it's okay to cut the spent flowers off, but you want to leave the foliage on until at least the 4th of July. That's when the bulbs recharge themselves, during that period after the blossom, after the blooms, and before the foliage dies back. And also at that time, in late summer, early fall, you can dig up clumps of daffodils, especially ones that have gotten crowded, and divide them, spread them out, and replant them so you have more in your garden. So this is a nice planting. Deer have pretty much eliminated most tulip plantings here around Pittsburgh, but they tend to leave daffodils alone. So maybe mixing them like this is a secret. Okay, for this episode of Bobscaping, this is Bob.